My name is Shannon D'Argenzio, and I was seen by Dr. Jason Kim at UC Irvine Medical Center. Well, about 20 years ago, my mom had the surgery, and back in that time, the robotic thyroidectomy was not available. She has the traditional neck scar, and she's lucky that her scar did heal nicely, but I remember her saying that it was very painful. Her hospital stay was about 5 nights just because her pain was off the charts. When my community physician referred me to have the surgery consult, I had very poor follow-up because I didn't want to have the neck scar. I didn't want to have the pain and discomfort and the major disruption of my life. My incision is in my arm right under here. It's very easy to hide it, and nobody needs to know about it, and I don't want people to know about it. This is private to me, and when I learned of the robotic thyroidectomy, I was quite pleased because it is minimally invasive and there's no neck scar. Nobody knows, except for my family, that I had this surgery. When I first met Dr. Jason Kim, he reassured me, and the thing that he really said that stuck with me is I would never do a surgery that I didn't feel I was competent to do. Well, before we get to the surgery, I need to get to know you better. I want to have a baseline EKG, a baseline chest x-ray, and blood work, and he really wanted to know me, not just like personally, but when you're in the operating room and you're unable to say, oh yeah, by the way, I have this heart condition, or I have this blood problem, or something. He really got to know me so that if anything would have gone wrong, he would have had a better picture of what he was dealing with. And so for me, that gave me great comfort. I feel Dr. Kim is really keeping a close eye on me. After my surgery, I saw him every Friday for about 6 weeks. And then now, because there is a concern on the left side, I'm having my lab work done regularly. Every time I see him at the doctor's office, he's doing ultrasounds. And I just really feel like he's keeping track of me and monitoring me and making sure nothing gets missed. I wouldn't even know how to thank him because he's just been so patient, compassionate, understanding, helpful, supportive, knowledgeable, honest, and I appreciate those characteristic traits because as a patient it really made me feel comfortable, and I'm just grateful.